Now, if you want more white on the bottom, you would mix more white and you would fill to the level you want. You'll see a lot of artists that start off with a lot of white bases, black bases, maybe even a gray, a very neutral tone. That's one thing you want to bear in mind is neutral. You're going to start off that way. That's how I operate because that neutral is going to benefit some of the colors. Depending on if you guys use a tan, you're lucky. I use tan a lot, but then I also use reds and yellows and things like that, warmer tone. But just layer up a little bit. Don't use all your cut. And stop. Then go to your next color. Same thing. Close. And just slowly. This is not a race. Take your time. You have to go back and forth, but don't use all your cut. And then keep going each color.
You're not swirling it back and forth, you're not just pouring in one spot.
No, you can do that, but I'm wanting to show you guys a layering technique with this, because that's how I get my best cells. So just do a layering, and go to your next one, do another layer. And now when we get towards the end, you're going to probably barely have enough. That's fine, because you can just do a little bit at a time, just squiggles. And you can do squiggles if you want to in between. This is your creativity at this point. But I want you to layer. I don't want you guys to pour from up here, because you're going to force the paint through, and it'll mix. So the idea is to layer on top, so go as low as you can.
So, which color goes in first?
Remember how I had you guys put them in the order? Use that same order.
With the white and the down.
Start off with your white. If that's your first one, go ahead and just start pouring it in.
Well, it doesn't have to, just put them in. And then how much we put in?
Don't use it all.